of America's president. Bells have always been a powerful form of public. For the first year of the war, ending in spring of 1862, the year of Manassas and Shiloh, and the realization that this war would be long and hard, I call forth Mrs. Ora McCoy, whose family provided this bell, and John Griffiths, the great-great-grandson of General Ulysses S. Grant. The second year of the war, ending in the spring of 1863, the year of Antietam and Fredericksburg and the Emancipation Proclamation. I call forth Tag Campbell of the Sons of Union Veterans, the commander, and Dennis Bigelow, the great-great-grandson of Lieutenant Colonel Charles Marshall, who was here at Appomattox. The third year of the war, ending in the spring of 1864, the year of Gettysburg, Vicksburg, and the Overland Campaign. I call forward Cadet Warren Jackson of the Virginia Military Institute, who saw so many serve here, and Alvin Parker, the great-great-grandnephew of Lieutenant Colonel Eli S. Parker. The fourth year of the war, ending in the spring of 1865. Sherman's March, the toils of Petersburg, Richmond fallen, the war's end, relief, grief, and rejoicing. I call forth Sergeant Clark B. Hall great-great-grandson of Charles H. Hall of the 13th Mississippi Infantry, a U.S. Marine Corps veteran of Vietnam, and First Lieutenant Samuel Mosley, a Korean War veteran, winner of the Silver Star and the Purple Heart.
Mm-hmm.